top of a yogurt spot. This guy's not cooling. Condenser fan motor's running. Blower's running. Compressor's not. I don't know if you could hear that, but it just tried to start. So, probably got a bad capacitor. We'll find out though. So, here we go. Alright guys, so we got her opened up. Looks like this is a single phase unit, so we do have a capacitor. It's a heat pump. There's a reversing valve. See, this is nice. Most manufacturers should do this. If I ever have to change this, look, it's like right here in my face. I love it. So let's see. Yeah, it looks like we got pistons or distributors. Alright, so I don't know if you can see this, but it's swollen. That capacitor is swollen. It's probably bad. So it's a 60 microfarad. So I'm going to go ahead and test it. So let me get my meter out and we'll go ahead and test her out. But I'm pretty sure that's our problem. So here we go. Alright, so we got our meter out. So we're going to take it. This is an HS36. Love this meter. We're going to switch her over to MFD. That's going to check our capacitance. And this is a 60. So we're going to take our leads here and we're going to go ahead and put one on each. Make sure you take the wires off, and we got nothing. So yeah, this capacitor's dead. So let me go see if I can dig one up out of the truck, and then we should be good to go. So, all right. Well, unfortunately, I didn't have a 60 single capacitor, but I do have a dual. So we'll use the dual. There's actually another capacitor over here. What's it called? Run cap bandit. So we'll mount this up somehow, but I tested it. It's a 10, so it's good. I was going to convert it all to dual, but I don't have a 10, so we'll just leave it as is. Once I get it running, we're going to check the refrigerant pressures, just make sure everything's good, and then we'll go from there. So let's get this thing swapped out. Alrighty, so we got her in there, and I went ahead and mounted this one here. So we're going to go ahead and crank it on. We got our gauges all set up. Check the refrigerant. We're going to check our start amps and our run amps. Make sure everything's good. Zip tie a little bit of stuff. So here we go. We're going to plug in the disconnect. Hopefully it doesn't blow up. Alright, here we go. So the delay timer finished and it came right on. The compressor was noisy. 30 amps on startup. You can see that. That's 30 amps. Currently running at, let's see, what do we run at? We're running about 10.8. See that? Yeah. So, not bad, not bad. It looks like it was just a bad run cap. Just turned on, so this hasn't quite settled, but for the most part it seems to be okay. We've got about 74.8 on our suction, 206.5 on our condenser, or our high side. So 44 saturation evaporator, condensing at 103. So it's about 80 degrees. So we're right about there. Superheat's at 3.2, subcoolant's at 6-ish. Seems to be alright. Definitely don't have a TXV on this one. But yeah, it looks like it was just a bad capacitor. I'm going to check a few other things just to cover my bases. The contacts are pretty burnt and pitted. I'm just going to mention it. I don't think they need to change it, but the coil tested out at 12 ohms, so it seems to be alright. Generally I go between 10 and 14 ohms on the contactor coil. The voltage seems to be fine. So yeah. Well, I'm going to pull open the blower and take a look at it just to make sure. Want to maximize our calls. But yeah, it seems to be okay. Alright, well we got the blower cabinet open. It's an ECM blower, not bad. Got a bunch of cardboard and stuff in there, it's kind of gross. Hope we're going to take that out. What the hell is this thing? Got all kinds of mold and crap going on there. That's nasty. Wow. Alright. Well, the oil looks okay. At least on this side. So anyway, we'll go ahead and put the